Using public Wi-Fi networks can be convenient, but they also come with various risks and security concerns. Here are some of the risks associated with public Wi-Fi networks. Data interception. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured or use weak security protocols, making it relatively easy for cybercriminals to intercept data transmitted over the network. This includes sensitive information such as login credentials, personal messages, and financial data. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Attackers can position themselves between you and the Wi-Fi network, intercepting and potentially altering the data you send and receive. This allows them to capture sensitive information without your knowledge. Rogue hotspots. Cybercriminals can set up rogue Wi-Fi hotspots with names similar to legitimate networks, example, coffee shop guest, instead of coffee shop free Wi-Fi. Unsuspecting users may connect to these rogue hotspots, giving hackers access to their data. Malware distribution. Public Wi-Fi networks can be used as a vector for malware distribution. Malicious software can be injected into your device while connected to an insecure network, leading to various security issues. Session hijacking. Attackers can steal your session cookies or tokens, allowing them to impersonate you on websites and gain unauthorized access to your accounts. Eavesdropping. Even if your connection is encrypted, example HTTPS, attackers can still monitor the websites you visit and the services you use, potentially compromising your privacy. Untrustworthy network owners. In some cases, the owners of public Wi-Fi networks may have malicious intent. They could collect your data for illicit purposes or engage in other unethical practices. Automatic connection to open networks. Devices are often set to automatically connect to open Wi-Fi networks. If you've connected to an unsecured network in the past, your device may reconnect without your knowledge when in range. To mitigate these risks when using public Wi-Fi networks, consider the following precautions. Use a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it much more challenging for attackers to intercept your data. Turn off Auto Connect. Disable automatic connection to open Wi-Fi networks on your device to prevent it from connecting to potentially unsafe networks. Verify network names. Double-check the network name and ask staff or employees for the correct network name and password if you're at a public location like a coffee shop or hotel. Use HTTPS. Whenever possible, use websites that use HTTPS encryption. This helps protect the data transmitted between your device and the website. Update your device. Keep your device's operating system, apps, and antivirus software up to date to minimize vulnerabilities. Forget the network. After using a public Wi-Fi network, forget or disconnect from it so that your device doesn't automatically reconnect. Limit sensitive activities. Avoid conducting sensitive transactions or accessing sensitive accounts while on public Wi-Fi networks whenever possible. By taking these precautions, you can reduce the risks associated with using public Wi-Fi networks and protect your data and privacy.